Hello guys, welcome to my channel, and today I'm here to talk about episode number 24 of Tokyo Revengers. So in my previous video I said that this episode is gonna be really hype, but then I realized that thing I was really hyped about is not gonna happen in this episode, but it was still gonna be hype, but just not as much as I told you that it was gonna be. So let's talk about it. So Takemichi is finally the first squad captain, which was hype to see. And I've read the manga, so of course I knew what was gonna happen, but all I'm gonna say is that Chifuyu Matsuno, he's my favorite character of this whole series. So I really do like him, and when he decided to give Takemichi the position of first squad captain, that was really cool. And Takemichi is the first squad captain, even though he can't fight. I think so he's mainly gonna be for the morale boost. That's what I think so. I know what's gonna happen, but if I would have not watched it, right, if I would have not read the manga, what would I think? I think so Takemichi is gonna be there for morale, and the main fighter could be Chifuyu. That's what I would have thought, and I'm not saying anything if that's right or wrong, so not gonna spoil anything. But yeah, so Takemichi is the first squad captain, and we see Valhalla join. Valhalla also joins Doman, and now they are a big gang, and I just want to see more of Hanma as always. Like, Hanma is a really cool character. I like him, so as much screen time for him, that's cool. I don't think so there's ever gonna be another season for Tokyo Revengers. Highly doubt it. Well, it could be, it could happen, but the chances are really low that we're gonna get another season. So in terms of screen time wise, I don't think so anybody's gonna get any more. But I highly recommend you to go and check the manga, because this season was just nothing. When it's compared to manga, the stuff that happens in that, you just cannot even imagine what happens in the manga. It's just insane. Okay, one insane thing after another, and I recommend you to go and read the manga. So we see Takemichi. He went back to the future, and this time he was really successful. He was the manager of Toman, and we still see Kisaki as the leader. No Mikey again, and there were a lot of people in the meeting room. There were a bunch of new faces. Then there was Hanma, Pachin, and the fifth squad captain and the fourth squad captain, I think so. And we had Takemichi and Chifuyu, of course. And I'll tell you, there were two people that were new. One of them has the birthmark on his face, and the other one has white and black hair. Those two guys, I really like them, so be on the lookout for that if you're gonna read the manga. Those guys were really cool, so I'm just saying, I also like those guys too. And I don't think so it's a spoiler saying that series continues after this, because it's never, because the manga is going on. So if Takemichi is dead, then there's no story. So you guys know Takemichi is alive. I don't think so it's a spoiler. Okay, so yeah, Takemichi is there. Let's see what happens. You're not gonna see anything. It's over. And in terms of if you're anime only, this cliffhanger is gonna be really insane for you. I thought of something else that was gonna happen in this episode, but that is way later down the road, not anytime soon. And there is something about Kisaki that I end up disliking in the manga, and there is some overall I started liking Kisaki a bit more, but there was just one part about him that I just didn't like. And you guys, of course, be your own judge when you read it, but that was my opinion on that. And I don't know what we see everything that Matsuno is still trying to avenge Baji, and he wanted to get Kisaki out of Toman, and because of that Kisaki killed him. So, and apparently he also killed Takemichi. Apparently, that's not gonna happen, because it's Tokyo Revenge. The series is still going on. So yeah, I don't know much else to talk about. Takemichi being the first captain is cool, and we don't see Mikey in the future, and everybody was successful. What's his name? Takemichi and his friends, all of them were really big deals, but Kisaki kinda tried to play as if he cares about Baji, and not Baji, but he considers them friends and thing, you know. And when I first read the manga, when I first read that in the manga, I was actually fooled. I actually thought, okay, maybe something happened where Kisaki, you know, maybe he changed or something. I don't know why I fell for that, but I fell for that, and then he drugged their drinks, and that's how he captured them and ended up killing Matsuno. And it was a really interesting line by Kisaki when he was going to kill Takemichi. He said, "Goodbye, my hero." Focus on that line, because it's not, why would Kisaki call Takemichi his hero? So yeah, focus on that line, because like it's not like really important, but it's something to consider. It's like, why would like Kisaki consider him his hero? So yeah, that was it for the episode. As you can see, I'm not that excited about the episode because I just already knew what was gonna happen. So of course my excitement isn't as much as anime only watchers, but again, for anime only people, like, this was probably like the best episode of the series. So it was a good episode, as in I enjoyed Tokyo Revengers. I wish we get another season, of course, in the future, but I hope that we get, but I highly doubt it. So that was it for episode number 24. Let me know what did you guys feel about it in the comments below. And that's it for Tokyo Revengers. I'll meet you in the next one.